Hey y'all, happy Monday. It is Monday, February 10th. It is the day after Super Bowl. I am so happy that the Eagles won. Now, I know my friends were picking on me because, as you know, I am a Dallas Cowboys fan, right? So they're like, T, how are you going to go for a team in y'all same division? Girl, I am just tired. I'm sorry if it's offensive to any Kansas City fans. I am tired of seeing them on my TV for Super Bowl. Let someone else play, okay? And plus, I am so excited for Jalen Hurts and our A.J. Brown, who are silly Titans let go. But hey, congrats to the Eagles again. So anyway, with that said, guys, we had a good time. We had tacos for Super Bowl. We love tacos. We've been on a kick lately. I just got back from Walmart because I'm going to make this cabbage soup for today's dinner. So I need to get a few things, and I'll just show you. I grabbed some chicken broth. I'll probably use beef broth for it, but I grabbed both. The only one they had in the chicken broth was the unsalted, which is fine. We need to watch our salt intake anyway. I needed some cornmeal, honey. I may fry me some cornbread with my cabbage soup, or bake some, I'm not sure, but I was out of that. Honey, we love our candles here, and this is by Allswell. It's a Walmart brand, and this is what is this? Lavender, jasmine, and chamomile. Guys, if you have not tried this, try it. Oh my goodness. You know, everything's so high now. It's like $12.97, but it's well worth it. It's just a 2-wick, but it's amazing. I love this scent. I love candles, and you'll see that soon. Soon enough. What was I about to say to you guys? I forgot. But anyway, I wanted to try out a new product. And please excuse my hair, y'all. This wash and go has had it. I need to wash my hair. I'm going to try to do it every week. But since it was Sunday and Super Bowl, I didn't do it yesterday. So I may do it later tonight. I don't know. But I love this brand for my leave-in conditioner. Y'all, Aunt Jackie's Quench. This stuff is by far my favorite of all of them. Okay, by all leave-ins for my hair texture. But this stuff is good. If you're not tried it, honey, I don't know what you're waiting on. Try it, okay? And then I'm going to try this. This is the jelly, this Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. I got this because I like to wear twist outs. And this just looks so dry. But what did I use on this? Oh, I put that in the description box in a previous video. But I used Cream of Nature, honey, something, twisting cream. That stuff is bomb too. And I can only find that on Amazon, so I have to order that. But I'm going to try out Miss Jessie's. This is old school, the TWA days, honey, in 2006 for me. But I'm going to give this another try. I heard mixed reviews that the formula changed, but I'm going to give it a try anyway, just when I wash my hair. And I'm not going to use this for a wash and go. I'm going to use this for a twist out or braid out. All right, y'all. Now, my guilty pleasure, I had to get me these Oreo Thin Mints. I love anything mint, but I need to watch this, and I'll be back in the gym tomorrow, okay? For the cabbage soup, I need to get some ground beef. Y'all, stuff is so expensive in the grocery stores, okay? But I got 2 pounds. I'm just going to use 1 pound for the cabbage soup today, and I will put this in the deep freezer. For the cabbage soup, we add beans also, but these right here are just diced tomatoes. I always go with this Walmart brand, honey, the cheaper stuff. And then I got 2 tomato pastes. I'm trying to think if I used 1 or 2 in this recipe. I can't even remember. It's been a while since I made it. And I got my hubby Valentine's Day cards. I don't want to show too much in case he sees this video before it goes up. Before Valentine's Day, rather. Then we got some bananas because I'm going to start back making my smoothies in the morning, my protein smoothies for breakfast. I got to get back in a healthier routine, honey. And even though I work from home, I just don't want to cook a lot. And with the price of eggs, I love boiled eggs. But with these prices and stuff, honey, we're not buying them eggs all the time. We don't eat eggs like that. Okay, and then last but not least is my head of cabbage. I have my beans. I add black beans and pinto beans like I do with my chili, but we like to add beans in our cabbage soup. So it's a little different from your traditional recipe for cabbage soup because I know a lot of people eat the cabbage soup for weight loss. you know, and I did too at one time, but my husband just loves the taste of it. He loves the taste. So we just add our beans here for a little bit of protein and tomatoes, and we make it our own, and with the meat. Now with the cabbage soup for weight loss, you're not using meat, of course, but I'm making it more hearty, and I want us to eat off this for at least 2 to 3 days. So that is it, guys. So I'm going to put away this stuff, and then I'm going to start on the cabbage soup in my Instant Pot a little later. So I'll take you along for that. Right, guys, as you can see, we're out here with little Layla Poo, letting her handle her business. I am working today, but it is pretty much just ghost town because people tend to take off the day after Super Bowl. And truth be told, I usually do too, but this year I didn't. But I knew it'd be slow, and I'm like, why waste a day when it's going to be slow and I can multitask? That's the beauty of working remotely. So anyway, I am going to get started soon, or when really I'm going to get started a little later on the cabbage soup, but I was just going to chit chat with you guys and see how you're doing, and who did you pull for? Did your team win last night, or were you Kansas City fans that unfortunately lost? All right, well, Layla, what are you doing, girl? Let me go see what she's doing and we'll be back. Leave that alone, girl. Leave that alone. Well, baby girl is finally handling her business. Y'all, I was on Facebook last night and people were getting so silly over this Kendrick Lamar halftime show. I'm like, me personally, I thought it was fabulous, okay? You just don't, either you get it or you didn't. He did this for the culture, y'all. And if you don't understand that, maybe go and research it before you kind of denounce him and everything. Now, true, it was a diss kind of thing, and that's, you know, that's controversial. I agree, but oh well, you know, that's between them. But overall, I thought the show was fabulous. Let me know in the comment section what you thought about the halftime show. I would love to hear it.